Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can, delete a pin or remove a pin from Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, there are several different types of pins. So for example, if I just selected any sort of location on Google Maps, for example, East 67th in Manhattan, as you can see, it'll create a pin, but the moment I drag it away, at least on PC, it's gonna just disappear. If you tap and hold on mobile, you will get it in the search bar at the top, where you just need to click the X, and that is just gonna, remove it. But if I select a business or any location, so for example, Upper East Side Crumble, is going to give me this red pin, which even if I drag, it won't disappear. But again, just click the X and it's just gonna, delete itself. Other than that, if you have your own business or any other business which you think should be removed because it's either closed down or if it's false, just click on the business, then go scroll down until you see suggest an edit, and then click on whatever you want. That's going to take you to this screen where you should go to, for example, hours, and then update operating status and just say either temporarily or permanently closed, doesn't exist here, or anything of the sort, but make sure that it is actually a valid suggestion instead of a fake one so that it actually goes through. Other than that, if you have pins on your maps in Google Maps, you can very easily just find them like this. They're going to be marked with these blue pins. Just right click, delete, and that's pretty much all you need to do. That's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.